So here's the T-Bird. Pretty rough, but still fun. The front end, my headlight covers don't close. Got some vacuum leak issues. Yeah, missing paint. Gotta love these old white walls. It's mismatching though. Got a little bit of rust here. Get new panels for it. Yeah, it's pretty bad there, and right there in front of the wheel. And the top's coming apart. A little bit scared to remove it to see what's underneath it. It's a little rusty under there, I imagine. And here's the rear end. It's got sequential taillights, or turn signals, but they don't work the greatest. Only the first two, the outer and the center, work. Hidden reverse lights, they're just underneath the Thunderbird there by the trunk release or lock. This side's not as rusty as the driver's side, which is kind of surprising because this is the burnout side. Yeah, top's gonna have to come off soon. Yeah, the windows don't work. If you want the windows down, you gotta take them out. Yeah. Alright, well, let's fire this beast up.